So what is up, everyone? Today we're gonna be taking a look at IKON, the Galadorian Space Knight. It took a few days, but I got her to Transcendence after all. Rank 1463 in the world. And yeah. So these are her stats. We got the 6% pierce, of course, 2.83% concentration. She has 33.82 cold damage and 5.53 fire damage, and then the rest are just like this. She has the Annihilator's tag, energy projection, and agility. Her instincts. The sword. I'm gonna show you my swords later on. These are her gear. I do try to do all skill cooldown, 2 energy attack, 1 HP. If I have enough HP, I'll make it 2 HP instead of 1 HP and replace the crit rate to HP. Yeah, here, crit rate to HP. But I don't think I have enough. I can try right now. And then maxed out skills, type enhancement level 5. ISO is parity and Hulk as usual. Increased concentration, this one. Yeah, I don't have a pierce, so I need to go with concentration increase. Guard break immunity, invincibility. Yeah, that's the best one I have for guard break and invincibility. So we're gonna test her out first in PvE content and then go to PvP. She is mainly a PvP character though. These are my swords, my cards. Okay, so first we can test her out in. I do want to try just jump to no stage 4. This is the team I'm going to be giving to her. I don't have any supports currently ready at hand, so this is the best I can do. I can do full leadership strikers. IKON. Okay, so stage 4 damage is not bad actually, but we can try stage 1 for any new place who just unlocked Noel and picked up IKON because she's free. This will be her performance. But I do have to check out the Marvel lead, but that won't her rotation is really easy. I am surprised. characters or upgrades. Pretty decent for if you're a new player. You can beat Null under 4 minutes, which is really good with IKON. Now I don't know if this would work, but what we could try is Infinity Ultron. It might be a pretty hard, but we can try Infinity Ultron. Okay, let's see how on stage 1 Ultra. Yeah, so you can see, even with the Transcendent skill, she dealt about 1 bar of damage to Ultron, which is not good. But she is pretty decent for Null and World Boss Ultimates. Okay, so now I do want to take her on a run for Lines Battle Extreme. Can find Speed Hero. Yep, this one can get her in for an Extreme. And she... Oh, she's Is there a leadership? Still White Fox. yeah, 55 seconds, about a minute, she can reach 1,000,000 points, which is really good. Okay, so now we're gonna test out some PvP content. PvP. So for PvP rotation, you wanna first do a 3, the counter attack, and then go up to 4. And then go back with the 3. When the time comes, you can do the skill. So this is the rotation or skill palette we're gonna be using for PvP content. It's gold rank, so it might be slightly harder. Yeah, it might be a little bit harder because it's gold rank, and we have a Jean Grey here already. Okay, let's see if she can do this, because her passive has energy reflex, so she might be able to kill Jean Grey with the energy reflex. Yep, killed her once. Almost got twice. She almost died another time. Another one, the sentry. Skill has just demolished them. Okay. That was a pretty decent match, to be honest. Killed IKON, killed Cap, died to Spider-Man. He put up a good fight to Spider-Man though. Okay, Jean Grey and Adam Warlock. That's a problem because Adam Warlock also has so I don't know if IKON beats Jean. I don't know if she can beat Adam. Okay, so Jean actually dies to IKON. But, she still dies. Okay, this one is an interesting one. Count the Conqueror. Gets started. I guess he also has energy reflex. That was actually so I would say you can't kill him. It's actually pretty close if we take a look again. Okay, so Ken might be a little bit hard because he also has injury like on his passive. But so far, IKON did a pretty good job. The best place to showcase IKON is in Otherworld Battle. She's on my second slot right now. So we could test her out. The only problem with IKON is that if you're playing on manual, it's a little bit hard to kill. I mean, if you're playing on autoplay, it's hard to kill Madeline Pryor. Or that's a shame. Okay, Rachel Summers and Spider-Man. And they just beat it, Rachel. So yeah, the IKON survived to the last, and she actually also killed Carnage with the immortality artifact. So I would say it's a success for IKON, to be honest. I'm gonna put a toe-to-toe to a Jean Grey. Toe-to-toe to a Jean Grey. Fifth go. Is it? Wolverine clutches it. So yes, as you can see, IKON is really powerful for Otherworld Battle. She might even be meta at some point. Try this. Yep. Can she kill another Jean Grey? Oh, it lagged out. Wolverine clashes it in the end, so that's fine. So yeah, that's the main IKON performance. I would say if you're gonna build her up, focus more on the PvP side than PvE side, because we do have enough speed to females PvE. So I don't think it's a must for people to build IKON up for PvP. So yeah. That's IKON. She's pretty good. I would say her best CTP is regen. It's a regen. Yeah, regen. Yeah. So when I get Quasar to 6 stars, I will do a Quasar video. Don't worry. But till then, see you guys next time. For those who didn't leave because I said see you guys next time, I am gonna do the leaks now. So since they added the tags for the Annihilators, you can see right now we have 6 characters as the Annihilator tag: Beta Ray Bill, Quasar, Windovan, IKON, Gladiator, Silver Surfer, and Ronan the Accuser. So right now only Ronan the Accuser doesn't have a tier 4, of course IKON and Quasar doesn't because it just got added to the game, and Ronan is the only one at tier 2 right now. So what people think the mid-month is Silver Surfer tier 4 definitely, and Ronan tier 3. That's exactly 2 characters. And if they want, they could, of course, do someone like Philavel, Darkhawk, Nova's, Richard Rider, Transcendent Skill. But right now, we think it's gonna be Silver Surfer and, Ronan, tier 3 and tier 4. So, yep, that's all. See you guys next time. Actually, bye.